सुप्रभातं छात्राः। सप्तमः पाठः संकल्पः सिद्धिदायकः। Children, just think, how can we successful in our life? What we need to do to be successful in our life? You may say parishramaha, hard work, regular studying, etc. But to do all these things, first of all, what we need? For that we need sankalpaha, strong decision and determination to achieve something. So by sankalpaha, by strong decision and determination, we can be successful in our life. We can see in or around us that many great people who succeeded in their life due to their determination and strong decision. Just think about Mahatma Gandhi. How many times he had to go to jail and suffer difficulties before getting the freedom for our country. Or Albert Einstein, how many times he failed before getting success. If we leave our work in the halfway with the fear of defeat, then we cannot be successful in our life at all. So until we succeed in our work, we need to be determined to do that work and to achieve that work, then only we will be successful. So let us study a story about goddess Parvati, who was very determined in achieving Lord Shiva as her husband, and how she attains her goal by her determination. Parvati Shivam patirupena avanchat, etadartam sa tapasyam kartum aichat, sa swakiyam manoratham matre nyavedayat, tad shrutva mata mena chintakula abhavat. Parvati Shivam patirupena avanchat, etadartam sa tapasyam kartum aichat, sa swakiyam manoratham matre nyavedayat, tat shrutva mata mena chintakula abhavat. So here it is one drama. So first instruction to enact given here. Parvati wanted to get Lord Shiva as her husband. Patirupena means as husband. Etadartam sa tapasyam kartum aichat. To achieve Lord Shiva as her husband, she wanted to do penance. Sa swakiyam manoratham matre nyavedayat. She said her wish to her mother, matre, to her mother. Tashrutva mata mena chintakula abhavat. Hearing the decision of Parvati, her mother Mena gets worried. Chintakula means worried. So let us move into the lesson part now. Parvati wanted to get Shiva as her husband. She wants to do penance to achieve that. She told her wish to her mother. Mother Mena gets upset hearing this. Parvati, goddess, Lord Shiva's wife, Patirupena as husband, Avanchat, Aichat, wished, Etadartam, for that, Sa, she, Tapasyam, penance, Chintakula, worried. Kartum, to do, Swakiyam, own, Manoratham, wish, Matre, to mother, Nyavedayat, said, Tat, that, Shrutva, after hearing, Mata, mother, Mena, Parvati's mother. Mena, Vatse, Manishitaha devataha grihe eva santi, Tapaha kathinam bhavati, Tava shariram sukomalam vartate, grihe eva vasa, Atraiva tavabhilashaha सफलः भविष्यति। मेना वत्से मनीषिताः देवताः गृहे एव सन्ति तपः कठिनं भवति तव शरीरं सुकोमलं वर्तते गृहे एव वस अत्र एव तवाभिलाषः सफलः भविष्यति। Mena Parvati's mother tells that, Vasse, O daughter, Manishitaha Devataha Grihe Eva Santi. All your favorite gods are here in our house itself. Grihe Eva Santi. Tapaha Katinam Bhavati. Going to forest and doing penance is very difficult. Tava Shariram Sukomalam Vartate. You are very soft. So Sharira means body. So you are very soft. Grihe eva vasa. Therefore it is very tough for you to go to forest and do penance. You stay in the house itself. Grihe eva vasa. Atraiva tavabhilashaha sapalaha bhavati. By doing puja from home itself, your wish will be fulfilled. Tavabhilashaha, your wish, sapalaha bhavishyati, will be fulfilled. Mena, O daughter, all our desired gods are there at home. Doing penance is very tough. Your body also very soft. So be there at home itself. Your wish will be fulfilled here. Vatsi, O daughter, Manishitaha, desired, Devataha, gods, Grihe, at home, Eva, only, Santi, are, Tapaha, penance, Kathinam, hard. Tava, your, Shariram, body, Sukomalam, soft, Vasa, live, Atraiva, here itself, Tavabhilashaha, your wish, Sapalaha, success, Bhavishyati, will be. Parvati, Amba, Tadrishaha Abhilashaha tu Tapasa eva Purnaha Bhavishyati. Anyatha Tadrisham Patim Katham Prapsyami Aham Tapaha eva Charishyami Iti Mama Sankalpaha. Parvati, Amba, Tadrishaha Abhilashaha tu Tapasa eva Purnaha Bhavishyati. Anyatha Tadrisham Patim Katham Prapsyami Aham Tapaha eva Charishyami Iti Mama Abhilashaha Atava Sankalpaha. So Parvati replies that, O mother, Tadrishaha Abhilashaha tu Tapasa eva Purnaha Bhavishyati. Great wishes like my wish, means I wish to get Lord Shiva as my husband. Such wishes will be fulfilled only by penance. By doing puja at home, it won't be fulfilled. Anyata tadrisham patim katam prapsyame. Otherwise, without doing penance, how will I get such a great husband like Lord Shiva? Aham tapaha eva charishyami iti mama sankalpaha. So I strongly decided that I have to do penance itself. Parvati, mother, these type of wishes will be fulfilled by penance only. Otherwise, how will I get such a great husband? I will do penance only. It's my strong decision. Amba, mother, Tadrishaha, such, Abhilashaha, wish, Tapasa, by penance, Purnaha, complete, Bhavishyati, will be. Anyatha, otherwise, Patim, husband, Katam, how, Prapsyami, will get, Aham, I, Charishyami, will do, Mama, my, Sankalpaha, decision. Like this, Parvati decided to do severe penance to get Lord Shiva as her husband. Let us continue with the next part tomorrow. Children, please learn all word meanings, translation, etc. and also practice to read the lesson thoroughly. Thank you, children.